Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kat, and today I actually was able to get this month's Sephora play. There was no snafus with the taking payment from my card. I have no idea what happened last month, but the funny thing was I got an email saying that the box was being sent to me, and then 2 days later I got an email saying that they had canceled me from Play subscription, and I called, because on VIB Rouge they have their own special phone number that you can call, and I usually find that they're a little better with dealing with customer service problems, so I called them, and it was apparently they accidentally sent me the wrong email or something, so hopefully this isn't a reoccurring theme of having trouble now of payment being taken out of my Play subscription. I'm gonna do it through PayPal now, and that's how I did it, because I usually do it just through my card, and even when I do my card the first time that they try and run it, it never goes through, and they always charge like 5 cents or a penny or something to make sure that, there's money on the card or whatever. With PayPal, I didn't have any of that problem, so I think I'm just gonna stick to making payments through PayPal. I had a chance to get a free Ipsy bag, so I'm gonna be doing an unboxing for that. I'm definitely not planning on getting a subscription to Ipsy, I think, but since I, had the chance to get the free glam bag, I figured why not. And then I'm going to subscribe to BoxyCharm because they seem to have the best kind of deal for the price, $21, and it's usually, I think they say, like at least $150 worth of product you get. So, eventually I will be doing BoxyCharm unboxings, but today we will be doing Sephora Play. So, this is the July box, I believe. So, when you open it up, you get your little pamphlet with basically tells you what the month theme is, which is drink in the goodness. Your skin works hard on the daily, so give it some love with a cleaner, natural ingredient packed routine. So, and then it says beauty blends, healthy add-ons. So they kind of have it set up like a juice menu, which is really cute. And then on the other side, they tell you what products they sent you. And then they give you a 50-point Insider Point Play card that you... 2 months ago, when they did their 2-year anniversary box, you could redeem it online, but now you can only do it in store, so you have to make a purchase and you bring this with you and you get 50 extra points. So let's get into the bag. The bag is not anything special this month. It's just a plain white and red bag with the red string. So let's just dive in here and see what's in here. Let me see if I can find the perfume extra, or if it's a hair extra. I don't feel a perfume. I think I feel a hair extra. Yeah, I got a hair thing. Rahu Freestyle Texturizer, Texture Body and Hold. Amazon Beauty. Effortless Texture Body and Hold. Never heard of this company. So, certified organic instructions on damp or dry hair. Apply to roots for volume and apply to ends for texture and then style. So this should be interesting to try out, see if it does anything. Okay, so let's see what they gave me this month. The first thing is, oh, okay, the Sugar Dream Sheer Pink Lip Treatment. In the flavor, does it say? I think Dream is the flavor or scent. Fresh Sugar Dream Lip Treatment Advanced Therapy is proven to significantly boost moisture for 24 hours. Blah, blah, blah. So, okay, it's a lip balm. I do have their lemongrass one, and then I have the caramel one in the pot. And then I do believe that this is, yeah, a tinted balm. So, let me do a little swatch. It's barely tinted, so I put it right there on my hand. Let me put some on my lips because they're pretty dry. Like, yeah, I put that over my brownish, nudish lipstick I was wearing, and it didn't change the color, it just added some moisture. And I like the smell. I think it's kind of a grapefruity smell, it smells like. Okay, the next thing is from Youth to the People, Age Prevention Moisture Cream, Kale and Spinach Green Tea Hyaluronic Acid. What's in our products? 100% vegan ingredients, cold press extracts made in the USA, 100% recyclable packaging. No parabens, no added fragrance, no added color, no animal testing, no sulfates, no phthalates. So that's pretty cool. And this is a moisturizer. A lightweight moisturizer, multifunction, antioxidant-rich moisture cream. All the superfoods you love combine forces with hyaluronic acid to create a mighty moisturizer that restores, rejuvenates, and conditions while protecting against free radicals and environmental stresses. So, was ready for soft, smooth skin that will make babies jealous. You're welcome, friends. So, this makes a lot of claims. It's got kale, spinach, green tea, vitamins A, C, E, B5, alfalfa, aloe vera, chamomile, and it says to use 1 to 2 times daily, and basically use it, after you wash your face as a moisturizer. So I like the packaging, and they give you a decent size, it looks like. It smells like a spa, a spa moisturizer, that scent that products have when you go to the spa. That's what this smells like. Okay, we've got 3 more things. Ooh, this I've really wanted to try. This is the Genius Liquid Collagen from Algenist, and this is after cleansing and toning, apply to entire face and neck and décolleté for optimal results. Follow with moisturizer. Use as directed. So this is basically all of this stuff that looks like it's fat suspended in here is collagen, and I like that they actually measure on the bottle how much. It's not showing up, but it shows right here on the bottle like how much you're using. So I'm really excited to use this, and you definitely get enough product to see if this would do any results. So I'm very excited I got this. Okay, the next thing I got is Tarte's Rainforests of the Sea Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser. I got this with a 500 point perk. Tarte had a 500 point perk box that came out, and I got that, and this was one of the things that was in the box. I haven't used it yet. The only thing I used in that collection was a face spray, and it smelled like feet, so I haven't really used anything else. Let's see if this smells. Yeah, this kind of has that medicine-y smell, so I might pass this on to someone, or I might bring it, throw it in my bag for when I go to the gym or something. And the last thing is also from Tarte. It is the blush in Partey. I have this on. This was, I think 2 years ago, last year or 2 years ago, this was the choice, as one of the birthday gifts, and I chose this, so I have the, blush and the, lip paint that came with it. It is a nice nude blush. That is what it looks like. So, I got some good stuff. I got some. Actually, the only two things in here that I really don't give a shit about are the two Tarte things. And Tarte's kind of on my shit list anyway, so, not really too upset about that. I'm glad I got the Alginist, collagen, liquid collagen genius. Yeah, that's what it's called. I'm really glad I got this. This is 0.13 US fluid ounces, or 3.7 ml. So that is a decent amount of product. And then the sugar, or the fresh sugar balm, this will always goes over well. I love these balms. The youth to the people, interested in trying this out. This will be one of the very few times that I will actually be excited to use kale or spinach. Not a big fan of leafy greens. And the hair texturizer, freestyler, whatever thingy, excited to try out. Anything that'll tame this frizz ball that is my hair excites me. The bluish color is starting to fade. That's the one thing I hate about these kind of glamour colors and everything, is that they start to fade a lot faster. So, once this fades a little more, I don't know if I'm going to keep this color or go hunter green or like vampire blood red. I haven't decided yet, but I'm having a lot of fun with my hair being a different color. I haven't had my hair in a fun color like this since since I finished college was the last time I had crazy funky hair. So, I'm actually pretty happy with what I got this month in my Sephora Play box. There was a few things that I could have done without, but for excuse me, for $10, I'm not gonna complain. It actually showed up. So hopefully I won't have any more payment problems like that, and I will have the Ipsy bag should be here by Saturday. And the funny thing with the Ipsy bag is they send you an email of what you're going to get in the bag before you get the bag, which is the oddest thing to me. So I already know what's in the bag, and yeah, there's two things in there that I'm excited about, and the rest of the other stuff, it's kind of like, hey, do you listen? I wonder if these boxes actually listen to the profiles we fill out, because sometimes I feel like they don't. But, yeah, that's all I gotta say. And BoxyCharm should be coming soon. So, I saw what next month's is, and it's got another warm tone palette in it. So I'm gonna wait until next month to start with BoxyCharm. And then I discovered this really cool company called Belladonna's Cupboard, and I bought this amazing neon palette. It's gonna take about a month, they said, because they are short staffed. They're doing like a lot of the beauty conventions right now. And I also am getting the Nightmare palette from them. It's a dry and wet palette, and it was on sale from $70 to $60, and then I got an email. I let it sit in my basket for like a day or two, and then I got a email from the owner saying, oh, I saw this was still sitting in your cart, would you like a better discount? Because I had like used a 10% discount or something that I found online, and she sent me I think like a 40% discount, so the palette is now $33. So I definitely think I'm gonna jump on that, because that is insane for the owner to really believe in their products and want me to buy it. And I have also written to them, and hopefully maybe I'll be able to somehow work with them, or be an affiliate or something. So fingers crossed that works out. But besides that, glad to be doing the Sephora haul again. I have a lot of stuff that I want to show you guys that I got from Amazon Prime Day, and yeah, I've got a lot of cool stuff to show you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye.